everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Music Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning in the catch-all section of my Classic Happy Planner for the week of November 21st through the 27th. I am very excited to use this kit. I've been wanting to use this kit for a really long time, and so I'm really happy that I finally get to use it. This is from PlannerKate. It is the Autumn Tales kit. So this was the full and half box from the full kit, and then this is the sampler. So I'm going to be using little bits and pieces from the kit. I also pulled a few of the other items that come with the kit, including this deco. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. It has been quite a long time since I have filmed a plan with me and my catch-all because life happens and I got very busy. So I'm excited to sit down and plan in front of the camera again. I'm very excited. So this was last week's kit. It's actually Friday the 18th right now, so I haven't completely finished everything, but this was using redhead stickers. Fall is in the air kit, and I absolutely love this kit so much. I love the feel of her stickers. I have a thing about texture, and this is such a beautiful spread. In my opinion, I love the stickers. I love the fall vibes. So that was last week's. So we're going to go ahead and head into this week. So I think what we're going to do is just do my normal sidebar. And I want to do a deco piece. I'm thinking I'm going to go with the one that comes with this kit because there's two of them, and we'll go from there. So we do have some things that need to be tracked. So I'm thinking of layering here because I only need two in this kit. So I'm actually going to cut it in half. And I can use these habit trackers for something else. So that way I can still save the sticker when I'm not using it. So I'm thinking I wanted to layer them kind of like this. I think that would be really cute. Yeah. We're going to layer the habit tracker stickers because I think that would be the best way here. And then we've got to have my work schedule. So we'll put that here. Whoops. There we go. And then I do want to do a little bit more on the sidebar here. Let's see what we have to work with. Yeah, we'll do this little bear guy. We are going to move this down just a little bit. Give myself some room here. Oh, oops. Oh my gosh. All right. It's a little crooked, but it's fine. I think it'll be okay. Oh, that's so cute. Alrighty, so now let's head into the week. So this week, I'm actually going down to see my sister and her husband. We're spending their Thanksgiving there. So Wednesday through Saturday, there's not going to be anything. So I do have a lot of things that need to get done Monday, Tuesday. So we'll do some decorative on the days that we're not doing anything. I actually don't want to use this sticker here. We are going to layer these two on Monday, Tuesday. So I have a little bit of writing room here. Okay. And I do want to pull in that checklist from this page because, like I said, we do have quite a bit that's happening. and I want to make sure we get that down. So I'm going to pull in this blue color over here on this side. It is quite cold where I am right now, so if you see my Spirit jersey popping up in the background, that is why, because it is cold enough for me to actually wear a sweater, which is very, very rare. Never happens in Florida, for me at least. So I'm excited to actually pull out my sweater and wear cold things. Like I said, it's a very rare thing to do here. Okay. I do have a spread that I'm going to do memory journaling on, so I'm not going to leave a lot of room for, like, writing memories down, but I am going to put in a few boxes just for, like, you know, fun's sake. Let's see. I do have some repeat boxes here, so I was thinking of doing some of these bigger ones. Let's do these two, because I really like these two colors. And I was thinking of saying something like, down to sisters or something like that for Thanksgiving, and then coming back up on this day and doing something like that. Oh, I could put it down here at the bottom, though. That would be better. That way I can make some sort of, like, line. Like a connection or something there. Okay, let's do some of these because I do like to use these. So we're gonna do, I think there's 2 don't forgets on here. There are. I think I'm gonna use the blue one in this kit. So, okay. We're gonna do don't forget, clean house. I'm gonna do is there a next week on here? There is not. I'll still use the this week for that. I think that would be fine. We're not doing groceries this week. I do want to have a payday sticker down. So we'll do that. I do want to include a car, but not this one because I want to use these. I think I probably have a car icon in my planner stickers book, my reusable sticker book, and I don't doubt that I don't. I do. They're all blue though. This one's red. I could probably use this one. And then I also need this gas as well. Okay, so this color matches pretty well, so I'm not really concerned. So we're going to do that here, and I also want to have that there. Okay, so I want don't forget and clean house. So over here on Monday, don't forget we're going to do here so that I can have a little reminder box. And then we'll do a checklist for cleaning the house. Actually, we are going to still do don't forget here. I just want to change where these go. So we're still going to do clean house here. just want these to not be as matchy. Oh, well, that kind of matches over here. So let's change this sticker. Yeah, we'll still stick with this leaf one. There we go. That way it matches a little bit better around in the spread. Okay, and then over here is going to be my to-do list, and we will use the box that I pulled off. Okay. Come on, there we go. Okay. Even though it's fine. All right, my gas. So we're driving down, and I need to remember to set aside gas money on this day, because this day is payday. Alright, and then we'll put this label sticker over here for work week. Okay. I also need to call, let's do we'll do a bullet, or how about we'll just do a star since it's already popped up. And I need to call to double check on different things. Trying to go through, making sure I don't forget anything. Let's see here. Family time. We do want to have that. We also need to clean the fridge and trash. Okay. So I was thinking of doing some bullets down the side here for things to clean. So let's see. That way we use them all up. All right. Clean fridge and trash. Family time goes here. I need to make sure I do laundry and planner time on these 2 days. So let's go ahead and use up here. I'm going to use laundry day here because I do want to have a full box for planner time so I can write down the things I want to do. Because we're coming back on Saturday, so I have to make sure I get laundry done and update my planners before I go to work on Sunday. So I don't know how long it's going to take us. Hopefully I don't know what my schedule will be for work on this day, but hopefully it's not going to be, you know, we'll be home, you know, before it gets dark so that I have time to get things done and do all of that fun stuff. Okay, I'm thinking it's time for some of this washi, and I was going to do it along the spine, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough. I can try it, I guess. Let's see. There's no harm in trying. deco and then see how the rest of the spread is going to look. Feeling like I need, let me add another box first, then we'll add the deco, because I feel like I need something here. I guess we will use this one. It's quite a lot of this color, but that's okay. And then we'll use this one over here. Oh, you know what? We can do some layering here. And then I think we'll add the deco. I think I had, here we go, this box would go perfect. Just like that. Oh, that's so crooked. That's better. Okay, let me add some deco. Everyone, and that is it for this week's plan with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun putting this spread together and using all the different elements that PlannerKate has. I love this kit so much, and I think it's just gorgeous, and I'm pretty sure she still has it up on her website. So if it's still there, I will put it down in the description box below, but I definitely recommend you guys checking her out. She's got some really cute, affordable kits. The sampler kit, which is this one, is the one I usually always get, just because it has so many options, so many different things that I can use personally, and it works great with a full kit. But I absolutely loved being able to use all the different elements that she has in her kits, and just, I don't know, I'm very obsessed. I love all of her stickers. I love her writing and everything, so I also always love buying things from her shop. So if you guys are interested in getting this kit, you can check it out down in the description box below. I'm not on a PR or affiliate for her or anything like that. I just really love her stickers, so I recommend you guys check her out because she's got some awesome stuff. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more just like this, don't forget to check out the description box below for different playlists related to planner and non-planner, so just like random crafting kinds of videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. If you guys missed any of the videos from my Holidays with May series, I will leave that playlist linked down in the description box below, so you can check that out if you're interested. It's basically just a conglomeration of different fun videos and fun Plan With Me content for the holiday season, so it'll be from November to December, and it's not specifically Christmas related, so it's fun stuff, fun Plan With Me's, memory journaling, all that fun stuff. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!